¿Qué lo que mi gente? What's going on, family? Welcome to Paradise Latin Dance. It's Rico here.
I'm Mike. First and foremost, thank you so much for choosing us to be your dance instructors.
Check this out. On this course, you are about to learn the fundamentals of salsa, one of the hottest dance styles out here in the world.
By the time you're done, you're gonna go from 2 left feet to dancing with confidence.
That's right. So check this out. This course will be broken up into a bunch of steps. We're gonna start off with the basics. We're gonna progressively pick it up. If you make it to the end, you will be a salsero or salsera. Let's get it! Woo!
All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna start with the most important step, our basic step. I have 3 rules when we start our basic step. Rule number 1, left foot forward, right foot back. Rule number 2, hands to your sides, comfortably, naturally. What we don't wanna be doing is dancing with our hands down. This is a bad habit we don't want to build early in our career. Hands to our sides. And then rule number 3, smile.
Pearly whites.
First and foremost, I'm gonna take my right foot and take a short step forward. Boom. Second, I'm gonna take a long step forward with my left leg. Boom. And then with my right foot, take a step in place. Beautiful. So now let's restart. Rule number 1, left foot forward, right foot back. Rule number 2, hands to my sides. Rule number 3, pearly whites. Right foot, take a short step forward. Left foot, long step forward. Right foot, in place. A little bit faster now, restart. Left foot forward, right foot back, hands up, smiling. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Short, long, in place. From here, I'm taking my left foot, taking a short step back. Followed by the right foot, taking a longer step back. And then from here, taking a step in place with the left foot. Let's put part A and part B together. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Short, long, in place, bring it back. Short, long, in place, bring it forward. Short, long, in place, bring it back. Short, long, in place. Beautiful. Now, a couple of pro tips. Tips that are gonna take your basic from here to here. Always make sure each foot that steps passes the previous foot. So what I mean is I never wanna have my feet together. When I take a short step forward, I wanna pass my left leg. Then when I take the longer step forward, I wanna pass the right leg. When I take this step in place, it's up and down. Now on my way back, I make sure I pass my right foot, and the same goes for the left foot. I pass it, then I take my step in place. That's pro tip number 1. Always stagger your feet past each foot. Pro tip number 2, we wanna eliminate tapping. This is not bachata, this is salsa. So what I mean is, when I take my step in place, I'm gonna go short, long. The biggest mistake people make is tapping here. We don't wanna tap, we wanna put our whole weight on that foot. Same thing on the way back. Short, long. Avoid the tap. We're gonna step in place. That's pro tip number 2. Now let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, basic. Short, long, in place, bring it back. Short, long, in place, bring it forward. Short, long, in place, bring it back. Short, long, in place. Beautiful. Last and final tip. I promise you this is what's gonna take you from good to great. Say it with me. Short, long, in place. This is the formula to my basic step. So we're gonna go together. Rule number 1, left foot forward, right foot back. Rule number 2, hands to my sides. Rule number 3, we're smiling. And now I want you to say it out loud with me, out loud. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Short, long, in place, bring it back. Short, long, in place, bring it forward. Short, long, in place, bring it back. Short, long, in place. All right, let's do it to some music. Música. 5, 6, 7, here we go. And short, long, in place. Short, long, in place. Short, long, in place. And short, long, in place. Short, long, long in place. Say it with me. And short, long in place. Let's freeze. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Short, long in place. Short, long in place. Short, long in place, and freeze. 5, 6. Say it with me. And short, long in place. Short, long in place. Short, long in place, and short, long in place. And 1 and 3 and 5 and 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Clap it up, my people. Good work. You just learned your basic step. I'll see you in the next video.